Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lettuce salad dressing. Start by choosing fresh lettuce, good oil, and a bright acid such as lemon or vinegar. Measure salt and pepper, then whisk or shake vigorously to emulsify. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding herbs or mustard for body. Toss dressing with lettuce just before serving to keep leaves crisp and vibrant for a lively salad experience. Begin with a simple 3-to-1 oil to acid ratio, using good olive oil and a sharp vinegar or lemon juice. Whisk in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to bind the dressing and create a smooth texture. Add salt and pepper gradually, tasting after each adjustment. For a brighter finish, stir in chopped herbs or a touch of honey. Drizzle over lettuce and toss gently to coat evenly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video now. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read recipes and notes in the kitchen without worrying about splashes, and it fits neatly on a counter or shelf. I find it handy for following step-by-step guides while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a creamy dressing, start with plain yogurt, sour cream, or mayonnaise as the base. Thin the mixture with a splash of milk, buttermilk, or a bit of vinegar until it reaches a pourable consistency. Stir in minced garlic, chopped herbs, or grated cheese for added depth and character. Keep the seasoning balanced and refrigerate briefly to let flavors meld before tossing with crisp lettuce for a satisfying, comforting salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.